coffee cups, dark high sky full of chatter. Morning sun whispers promises scattered. Old ragged book with tales torn and tattered. Silent stories told by faces worn and weathered. Steam rises slow, dreams lightly fading. Fingers tap rhythm.